So right now, I'm here sa Burnham Park. At grabe, ang sarap maglakad-lakad dito. Ang lamig ng hangin, ang peaceful ng paligid, at ang daming taong nagre-relax lang. Ang sarap mag-people watch. Parang kahit wala kang ginagawa, nare-recharge ka. Kanina pa ako tempted actually mag-bike kasi ang daming nagbabike dito. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan iiwanan yung bag ko. So, maybe next time. Habang naglalakad ako, ang dami kong nadaanang stalls selling accessories at mga pasalubong. Actually, bumili ako ng pasalubong for my coworkers. Keychains yon, 100 pesos for 7 pieces. Sulit na rin, pero hindi ko na rin na-videohan kasi ang dami kong bitbit. But honestly, the star of the show is the strawberry taho. Matagal ko na itong gustong itry and this is my first time. Kaya excited talaga ako. At grabe guys, ang sarap niya. Served warm, sweet and comforting. Just like regular taho. Pero mas level up talaga. Kasi may buo-buong strawberry. As in real strawberry pieces that makes it fresher and maybe more special. Para siyang familiar taste. Pero may Baguio twist na hindi mo mahahanap sa ibang lugar. Wala lang. Alam mo yung feeling na once in a while, you just deserve trips like this. Yung walang pagmamadali, walang deadlines, walang stress, hindi ka tumatakbo sa oras. You're just here, being present, enjoying your own company, breathing fresh air, and giving yourself a break you actually deserve. And sana, all of us, one day, are financially stable enough so that we can go on trips like this without ever thinking about the budget. And eventually, madala din natin yung family natin sa mga travels na ganito. Simple, diba? Pero ang sarap sa puso. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next one. Bye!